In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Squarespace website on Google. We'll walk through the essential SEO tools built into Squarespace so your site is set up to be found and understood by search engines without diving into anything complicated. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head into the website area. This is where you manage site-wide settings and content, and it's the starting point for getting your pages ready for search. Next, go into the SEO or AIO section. This is Squarespace's hub for search optimization. Think of it as the control room for the information Google reads first: your site title patterns, page titles, descriptions, and how your content is described across your pages. Squarespace keeps this in one place so you can make updates quickly and consistently. From here, choose Optimize. This view helps you focus on the key items that influence how your site appears in search results. You'll often see previews and prompts that show what users might see on Google. It's a great place to spot missing titles or descriptions and fix them before search engines index your pages. Now click Edit to make changes. You'll be able to set the SEO title and meta description that appear in search. Aim for a clear, human-friendly title that includes your brand or offering and a core keyword. Keep it concise and readable, ideally around 50 to 60 characters so it doesn't get cut off. For the meta description, write a short summary of the page, about 150 to 160 characters, that explains the value a visitor will get, uses natural language, and includes a relevant keyword without stuffing. If there's a place to set a social sharing image or preview text, choose a clean, on-brand image and a description that matches what you want people to see when your page is shared. Be sure each page has its own unique title and description. This helps search engines understand that every page offers distinct value. You can make these edits yourself or collaborate with an SEO specialist to refine your messaging. If you're working with a pro, share your brand voice, offerings, and priority keywords so titles and descriptions stay consistent across the site. The goal is clarity and relevance. Explain what the page is about and why it matters to your audience. When you're done, save your changes. Updates won't appear on Google instantly. Crawling and indexing can take time. So review your key pages, keep your content accurate and helpful, and give it a little while to propagate. That's it. With these Squarespace SEO settings in place, you've set a strong foundation for your website to show up on Google.